Hey there, my name is Noella, and I welcome you to the Wonders of the Voice from Passion to Profession online course. Come along with me on this VO journey and take your voice acting and voiceover skills to the next level. In this course, we're going to be covering a lot of fun things. You're going to learn how to create believable characters with just your voice, using certain specific techniques to disguise your voice and bring characters alive with modulation, intonation, articulation, accent impersonation, cadence and rhythm and pace and script interpretation, and so many nuances of the artistry.
Hamburger. Delicious.
This course is holistic and comprehensive. It is designed in a structured manner that allows you to wrap your head around the science, the technology, and the artistry. After all, it's a business at the end of the day, and being able to actually wear multiple hats leads to your success. The course should take you about a week to finish, or it can take you a little longer. It really depends on your own schedule. So it's a hybrid approach. Part of it is taught online, and part of it allows you to take it offline and do some of the exercises that are part of the learning journey.
Transform yourself into someone much smoother. Deep cleansing face scrub from Nivea from
There
them.
are 8 modules in all, 21 lessons, and a lot of fun interactive games and exercises that you can do on your own time, at your own convenience, according to your own schedule. At the end of this course, you will have learned how to use your voice effectively, how to voice project,
Two things, okay? Shut up!
how to bring characters alive with your voice,
Today is the end of the Republic.
how to modulate, how to intonate, how to micropause, how to pace your read, and you will learn the musicality of speech that really engages and connects with your audience.
Exotic Vietnam is an intriguing blend of many charms.
Delightful, charming, chic.
Also a certain gentleness to calm and soothe your soul.
Well then, that's gotta be the strawberry thief! And a mean-looking one too! Stay away from us strawberries! Yeah!
Dad, check me out. I'm Diana Monroe.
To further his prestige, he occasionally reads the Wall Street
You
Journal.
will learn the art of impersonation and bringing fun accents alive with your voice.
Someone has destroyed an important animal statue that belongs to a village.
That's why I called you guys here, Katie. I'm worried for them. Wait! I sense an aftershock.
I'll explain. My Demurshka are coming straight for you. Looks like the bad guys are taking heat out there. Valid. You have our support. No bloody good! Get help!
You will gain voiceover industry knowledge, and you will feel more confident about the jargon that's used in the industry. And most importantly, you will gain confidence and the motivation to stay the course and to really turn your passion into a profession. So join me on this exciting journey, and let's see what we can do together to really bring your voice alive.